Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, we're looking at VIX cash making new lows once again this week. Currently the low of 16.07. It will be interesting to see if we actually take out that 16 handle today. And these are the lowest levels for the VIX cash going back to November of 2021. So basically a year and a half lows for the VIX cash. SPX continues to hold at the top end of the range, trying to establish escape velocity to maybe take out those February highs, but yet to do so. And looking at realized volatility, 10-day realized volatility is up week over week from 8% to 14%, or up 6 vol points. So an interesting dynamic from short-term realized vol. However, 30-day realized vol is actually down 1 vol point week over week from 15 to 14. So we're looking at 10-day and 30-day realized volatility basically measured at the same level this week. At the money straddle in the SPX, implied vol level looking 30 days out of 14. So we see that continue to tick down by half a vol point this week. Compression of at the money options in the SPX as the markets continue to realize less volatility on a 30-day basis. VIX Futures, let's take a look there. VIX Futures, we're seeing that roll market between May and June continue to widen this week. We're out to $2.70 of positive roll, so a very steep roll market. And contango is steepening as well as we see the futures curve continue to shift higher or steeper all the way out to October, and then it flattens out. But nonetheless, we continue to see the futures rolling off here and the front couple of months futures being pulled lower towards the cash. Options activity in the VIX. Let's look at the May options. At and out of the money puts very active, and then out of the money calls from the 20 line to the 30 line very active. And then we had some ratio spreads go up even above that, all the way up to the 50 line in May. And then really you move out to July. There's a lot of action in July today as well, both on at and out of the money puts as well as out of the money call spreads. Next week, several things that are going to influence the vol structure. We have some earnings and some data early in the week, but the highlight will be the Fed announcement on Wednesday, followed by the unemployment report on Friday. And the other thing I want to point out is momentum in the market. We'll see if we can get that escape velocity in the SPX this week and possibly put in new highs, taking out the February levels.